Why do you see the brake system warning light in your Honda vehicle? Well, the most common thing you can check is whether your parking brake is engaged. If the parking brake is engaged, it's natural to see this warning light, but it's not a warning light. It's just the light that tells you that you have the parking brake engaged, and just disengage it before you drive, because driving with the parking brake engaged will destroy the rear braking system. So you will have no pads after maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes of driving. But if your parking brake is disengaged and you still see this warning light, this may tell you about the problems with the braking system. And the first thing to check is the switch in the parking brake. So your parking brake in a Honda car has the switch that tells this light to go on when the parking brake is engaged and go off when the parking brake is disengaged. So check this switch, maybe it's faulty, maybe it's not working. And actually the pretty common reason for this light to go on is the low fluid level. It's not that hard to check this. Here is the brake fluid tank, and you can see the minimum and maximum marks on this tank, and the fluid is actually visible, so you can see the level of the fluids through this white plastic, and you can check if it's in the between the minimum and maximum. It's okay, it should be closer to the maximum line like in my car, but if it's below minimum you shouldn't drive. This is the safety concern, and your brake may not be working at this moment. One more reason is the brake pads that are worn out. It's only in the modern cars it can show this warning light, because for this warning light to appear when your pads are worn out, you need to have special pads with the wire inside them, and then when the pad is worn out to the thickness that it's not okay to drive, this wire will touch the brake rotor and you will see the warning light. This is how it works, but it's not going to work in older vehicles. It will work only in pretty modern cars, maybe post 2020. And finally, there is one more thing that can trigger the brake warning light in your Honda vehicle, and this is any ABS sensor or anything in the ABS system. So the ABS system may be faulty because of the sensor, because of the wiring, because of the brain of the system. Actually, this is not a DIY thing. So if you checked everything else and everything else is okay, but you still get the warning light with your braking system, you need to go to the dealership or to the repair shop and have your car diagnosed, because replacing the ABS sensors and replacing anything else in the system requires professional tools and extra knowledge.